10th samacheer max, exercise 5.3, 9th sum. Find the median and altitude of triangle ABC through A, where the vertices are A 6, 2, A B 5, -5, -1, and C is 1, 9. Here they have given the triangle to be ABC. Look at this diagram. The triangle is given as ABC, and they asked you to find out the equation of the altitude. Altitude means it is perpendicular distance from the value. From A you are finding out means A, this is your line AP. AP is your perpendicular line. Okay, so this is your perpendicular line means this is your altitude. And median means it is midpoint of this side BC. Okay, so median of A means the line where it bisects the opposite side. Okay, here this BC means it is the bisecting BC into two parts. So this is your midpoint. So midpoint of BC is the median of AQ. So this is your midpoint means that is the median for this value A. Okay, for this side A. So they have asked you to find out the equation of the altitude, that is AP, and equation of median AQ. So first you have to find out what is the altitude equation. So equation of altitude means, first of all, you have to find the slope for this. You are having 2 points means you can find the slope using y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. After finding the slope, you know how to find out for perpendicular, reciprocal with the negative sign. Okay, so with that you will find the perpendicular slope. After finding out the slope, using the slope at this point you can find out. See, now listen, I am finding out the equation of the altitude. So first you will find out the slope of BC. If you find out this, you have to find out altitude from A only. Okay, from A. So for that, first you have to find the slope for this point line ABC. Slope for BC means you have these 2 points. You know the formula, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So it is equal to y2 is what here? 9. 9 minus of minus 1 means plus 1, divided by x2 is 1, minus x1 is minus 5. So plus 5. So it is equal to 10 by 6. It is equal to 5 by 3. So your slope here is 5 by 3. After finding out the slope, perpendicular slope. Perpendicular slope means, for perpendicular slope is what? AP. Perpendicular slope means this is your AP. So it is equal to minus 3 by 5. So your perpendicular slope is reciprocal with the negative sign. So I am writing here. So if this way also you can find out, m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. 5 by 3 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So m2 is equal to reciprocal minus of 3 by 5. Like this you can find, or simply you can write the reciprocal with the negative sign. If this is negative means this will be positive. This is positive means this will be negative. So you can easily write. So perpendicular slope is minus 3 by 5. Now equation of AP, that is your altitude. It is equal to y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So you know the slope here, minus 3 by 5. So y minus y1 is what here? This is your x1 y1 now. This is from here only to here you are finding out. So this must be your x1 y1, and the altitude which you have, slope which you have found out, you will use here. So your y1 is here what? 2. So y minus 2 is equal to minus 3 by 5 into x minus 6. Your x1 is 6, so minus 6. So y minus 2, 5 you bring it this side, is equal to minus 3 into x minus 6. So 5y minus 10 is equal to minus 3x, minus into minus is plus 3 6 are 18. So bring it this side to make the x value positive. So 3x minus 18 plus 5y minus 10 is equal to 0. So 3x plus 5y minus, both are negative. So minus 28 is equal to 0. So this is your equation of altitude. Now 3x plus 5y, both are negative, I am adding up and I'm getting minus 28. So this is the equation for your altitude. Now we have to find for midpoint. So finding for midpoint means, median means, we have to find the equation of the median. So equation of the median means this is your midpoint. So first of all you find this point using midpoint formula. You have these 2 points, you can find the midpoint for this. So midpoint of BC, that is your Q is equal to, midpoint of BC is what? Q is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, write within brackets because they are coordinates. So x1 is what here? Minus 5 plus 1. So minus 5 plus 1 divided by 2. Here y1 and y2 is minus 1 plus 9. Minus 1 plus 9 by 2. It is equal to minus 4 by 2 comma 9 minus 1 will give you 8 by 2. bigger number is negative, so I put negative sign. Bigger number is positive, I put positive sign. It is equal to minus 2 comma 4. So your median is minus 2 comma 4. Now you have to find out equation of AQ, where A is what? A value is 6 comma 2. Your Q is minus 2 comma 4. So you have 2 points. You can use 2 points formula. Y minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. So this is your 2 point formula. So y minus, this is your x1 y1 means this is your x2 y2. Okay, so y minus y1, it is minus 2. Y minus 2 divided by y2 is what? Y2 is 4. 4 minus 2, it is equal to x minus x1 is 6 by your x2 is minus 2. Minus 2 minus 6. So y minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to x minus 6 divided by minus 8. So you will get minus 8 into y minus 2 is equal to 2 into x minus 6. So minus 8y minus 16. Minus into minus is plus 16 is equal to 2x minus 12. So bring these two terms aside. 2x minus 12 plus 8y minus 16 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 8y minus, add both means minus 28 is equal to 0. So remove 2 means x plus 2 into x plus 4y minus 14 is equal to 0. So 2 if it goes outside it becomes 0. So your equation is x plus 4y minus 14 is equal to 0 is your equation of midpoint of the median. Equation of median is equal to minus 14 is equal to 0. Okay.